Okay, magandang araw mga air gunners. Welcome to Bars Channel, and today gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo ipakita sa inyo yung rifle ko. Been shooting air gun in competitions more or less around 2003 to present. So, yung rifle ko is then and now is ganito pa rin. So, isang rifle lang yung ginagamit ko since the beginning. Error. Meron pala akong JBC noon, pero I sold it. And then, nung binenta ko yon around 2006, 2007. And then, eto na yung main rifle ko for all sorts of airgun competitions, all sorts of discipline. So, marami din ng ginawa ko dito. Noon, this is just an ordinary Cayman, Pinarms Cayman, CNC. Hindi siya regulated, original pa yung tangke, and still, this is still the original tank, yung T6 medium. And sa ngayon, ito na siya, no? Sa ngayon, nasa BR setup siya, bench rest setup. So, kung titignan mo yung stock niya, meron siya mga stickers, and this one, itong sticker na ito is a sticker ng Cebu Air Rifle Association. So, pasado ito sa kanilang standard, which is following the world standard ng World BR. So, the weight, the thickness ng stock, the weight, at saka yung FPE. So, yung FPE nito is using 13.4 grains na 177. Yung FPE niya is just below 20 foot-pounds kasi yung allowable is only 20 foot-pounds. So you cannot go more than 20 foot-pounds. Okay, so we are set up, regulated. This is just an ordinary China regulator, pero it's yung bell bills niya is iba na, hindi na yung China. Binili ko ito sa kay Ryan D. These are German bell bills. Ako din set up ng low side ko using my rank tester. So, since the very beginning, ako lang yung nagmo-mod ng airgun ko. So, wala nang iba, walang ibang tao. Ako lang yung nagmo-mod, ako lang nagre-research, everything. R&D, trial and error test, ganyan, okay. So, medium tank, regulated, Winters, gauge, very accurate. Walther Lothar na barrel. Mounted sa ngayon is a Markpool 6 to 24, meaning 6x minimum, 24x maximum, and 50 mm objective. Okay, the rifle weighs around 7.2 kilos or 15 pounds. So, medyo mabigat ito. Because that's a maximum weight na pwede sa benches. Okay. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga modifications ko dito. Kasi this is a itong rifle nito is ginagamit ko sa lahat ng klaseng shooting discipline, like sa ngayon BR siya, no, bench rest. So sometimes I shoot FT or field target, sometimes I shoot MS and the other discipline. So kailangan i-change mo yung setup ng airgun mo. For example, gusto ko mag-MS. So first off is, I changed my stock to my MS stock. So this is still the original Philarms Cayman stock na ano ito, balulay. It's a target stock, no? Tapos ito yung ginagamit ko sa MS talaga. Okay. So meron akong different bipod before. Hindi itong clone na Atlas. Yung before yung nilalagay ko dito siya yung clone ko na Harris bipod. So sa ngayon Atlas na clone. So it would weigh a little less compared to this kasi mabigat talaga ito eh. Pero I've tried this one shooting MS. Nag-champion din. Walang problema. Kaya lang medyo pabigat na siya na pabigat. Okay. So, I changed this to my MS. And then, of course, I changed my barrel. Actually, sa ngayon, naka-22 ito. Kasi, yung last na competition na ginawa ko was the EBR. So, extreme benches. So, naka-22 ito. Tapos, naka-set up siya sa 920, 930 using 16 grains JSB. Okay? Kung lalagyan ko siya ng 18 grainer, bababa niyan mga 870, 880 more or less. Okay. So, for example, no, nasa 22 ito, no? So, for example, I will shoot benchless 25 HB, yung standard, yung heavy barman. So, heavy barman, kailangan mag-change ako ng 177. Okay. So, this one, low tar 22, standard low tar, 1:17 twist. Ako yung nag-chamber ito, ako din nag-ground. So, yung overall length niya actually is that yung overall length ng low tar is 23.8 inch. So, ako kaunti lang ako mag-shave sa nung metal sa mga barrels ko. So, more or less nasa 23 pa rin ito, point something. Okay. So, kung kailangan ko siyang kunin, this is my modification, hindi ito original na design ng Philarms. This is just my modification na nakita ko na kailangan ko para kung mag-shoot ako ng different discipline sa isang competition, pwede ko lang siyang i-arrange or something like that. So, kukunin ko ito. I have two Allens here, dalawang Allen. So, the first Allen is kailangan ko screw. Konti lang. So dito sa front, and then so, ano ito? This is a 316 Allen set screw. Okay, so kita nyo, hindi ko naman kinuha yung Allen, nandiyan pa rin. Pwede ko na siyang kunin. Yan. So, this is my low tar 22. Yan. This is my chamber and this is my crown. I will i-discuss na natin yung in the future yung crowning and chambering and how do I do it sa mga guns ko. Okay, so I'll put it there. Lalagay ko dyan. Okay. So this is my low tar Walther na polygon slow twist. Slow twist meaning hindi siya standard na 1:17. So more or less nasa 1:26 or 1:27. So tandaan nyo, the slower the twist, the higher the number. So 1:27 higher, that is lower compared sa mga 1:17. So tandaan nyo rin, sa mga 22 LR, sa mga airgun, usually mga standard is mga 1:16, 17. Siguro meron standard na mga 1:19. Pero more or less, nasa 1:16, 1:17.